Good evening and welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change margins in Microsoft Word mobile app. For beginners, you may not know what margins are. Margins are the blank spaces that line the top, bottom, and left and right side of a document. So no matter what you're typing in any Word document, it cannot exceed the margins section. So that's what margins are all about. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can change that. If you don't like the default margins assigned to your Word document in mobile, you can change that. So let's get started. The first step is to access the Word app installed on your mobile phone. Then I like using the final text section, so I will type Word inside the space. Tap on it for it to open. Now these are the documents I recently created using the mobile app. So I can decide to change the margins of each of these documents, or I can decide to start with blank document, that is starting everything afresh. So I will go with a blank document. So the next step to take is to tap on the plus sign at the top right. Alright, then I'll select the blank document option. Okay, now the blank document has opened. Let's assume I want to change the margins of this document before I start typing anything. Or let's assume I have finished typing what I want to have in the document. Then I want to change the margins. The next step you have to take is to tap on the ribbon display option, which is the arrow that points up at the bottom right. So tap on it. Now we are on the home tab. You can see that. But what we need, the command we need for the changing of the margins is not found on the home tab. So we will tap on that section, then tap on layout tab. Alright, so we are on the layout tab with some commands we can work with. And one of the commands, which is the first command, is the one named margins. So I'll tap on that. Alright, by default, we are placed at margins, which says top is equals to 2.5 cm, left 2.5 cm, bottom 2.5 cm, right 2.5 cm. But we can change this. You can use to go to with the option, the narrow option, or the moderate option, or the wide option. Any of the margins you want to go with, tap on it, and the document margin will be changed immediately. But if you are not comfortable with these options, you can tap on the option that says custom margins. Alright, then set the value you want for the top, the left, the right, and the bottom. Okay, let's make it practical. Let's say I want to use 1 cm for each of the margins. Alright, I can type 111 in each of them. Here I will change the data and type 1. Then here I will change the data and type 1. Alright, so with this, I've changed the margin of this, my document I want to work on. Then I'll go back. That is already chosen. You can see that. Tap on it. It has been set at that margins. So these are just the few steps on how you can change margins in your Word documents when using the mobile application. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment. If you want me to make any video on Microsoft Word mobile app, feel free to drop that in the comment section. Thank you and stay good.